students, today we are going to do important phrases. Phrases are the group of words, वाक्यांश शब्दों का समूह होते हैं that make sense, जिनका कोई ना कोई अर्थ होता है. They are part of a sentences. वे एक वाक्य या वाक्यों का हिस्सा होते हैं. They are very important for all the languages. सारी भाषाओं के लिए वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. In English, अंग्रेजी में there are a large number of phrases. बहुत संख्या में वाक्यांश होते हैं which are used, जिनका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है by the English language users. इंग्लिश भाषा सीखने वालों के द्वारा. They make the language, ये वाक्यांश भाषा को बहुत ही प्रभावकारी बनाते हैं. So their usage, इसलिए इनका इस्तेमाल is always encouraged, इसको हमेशा प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है. Read some important phrases you can use. आप कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रेजेस पढ़ें जो आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इन योर डे टू डे, दिनों दिन इंटरेक्शन बातचीत में इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, अंग्रेजी भाषा की. यूजफुल इंग्लिश फ्रेजेस फॉर इंग्लिश यूजर्स. ऑल इन ऑल, एवरीथिंग, सर्वे सर्वा. ही इज ऑल इन द फैमिली. ऑल एंड सन्ड्री, ऑल विदाउट एनी एक्सेप्शन. ही इन्वाइटेड ऑल एंड सन्ड्री इन द मैरिज पार्टी. Back and belly livelihood, आजीविका. In this time of recession and inflation, everybody is concerned about his back and belly. Betwixt and between, equal distribution. They share betwixt and between them whatever they earn. Goods and chattel, movable property. We shifted to the USA. We sold our goods and chattel in India. Choke a block. Adjacent, adjoining, awkwardly, बेढंगे तरीके से सटे हुए. Indian cities are full of chock-a-block houses. Pick and choose, to choose carefully. We should be alert while picking and choosing our career. Fair and square, fine and good. Our actions toward our fellow beings must be fair and square. Fee far fum, sounds produced to scare the people, especially children. China's fee far fum can't scare the Indians. Flux and reflux, debate. The simple conversation was conversation होती है बातचीत, was converted into flux and reflux among the friends. Goody goody, seemingly good. You can find a number of goody people, but not a really good person. The haves and have-nots, the rich and the poor. The whole world is divided into the haves and have-nots. Hodgepodge, in and disorder, oblique at sixes and sevens. When I reached there, I found everything hodgepodge. Humpty Dumpty, falling, deteriorating, wobbly, लड़खड़ाते हुए. The democracy in Pakistan is Humpty Dumpty these days, as army rules supreme there. Ins and outs, nuances, small things about something. If you want to get success in some profession, you must know ins and outs of it. Tittle tattle, to whisper. We must not waste our time in tittle tattle. इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहें.